Leather workers at this factory in Kanpur, India, are busy readying handbags for export. But starting from today, their livelihoods could be at stake. The U.S. is now imposing tariffs of up to 50% on Indian goods, and exporters like the owners of this factory are bracing for impact as U.S. clients cancel orders.
तो सर इस टाइम तो बड़े हालात खराब हैं.
The situation is really bad now. We send our products to other countries and produce for local markets as well. Some factories are working, however, there are many factories that were totally dependent on the U.S. market. They have stopped all work.
The tariff rate on India is among the most punitive the U.S. Trump administration has rolled out, meaning other countries that make similar goods will have an advantage over India in the U.S. market. It's a potential catastrophe. The U.S. is India's biggest export market, worth more than $86 billion a year. And the tariffs could also hurt India's growing status as a manufacturing center. The high rate is meant to punish India for continuing to buy Russian oil as Trump tries to end the Russia-Ukraine war. But some in India see hypocrisy in the measure.
Europe and America both buy so many materials from Russia. And we read that one of the American companies, Standard Oil, they are thinking of buying Russian oil fields. So America and its allies, they are totally engaged with Russia.
And for India, Russian oil sold at a discount allows large savings while giving its more than 1 billion people affordable energy. Not all Indians are alarmed at the tariffs. Some in the garment industry, for instance, even think it will soon be business as usual again.
The big effect, I would say, temporarily for a few weeks or months, then things will becoming normal because the importers, brands will adjust to their price levels.
But on the streets of the capital, New Delhi, there's a feeling of being wronged. And some say it's important for India to start moving past its reliance on the U.S.
We should try to sell our products within our country as much as possible. And if we have to export, we should reach out to other nations instead of the U.S. For instance, Russia has been a good friend, or even the Middle Eastern nations, so we should export to these nations. However, we should not be scared of the tariffs imposed by the U.S., and we should keep our stance clear.
Donald Trump and Indian Prime Minister Modi once considered each other good friends, but relations are now at a low point. And with the punishing tariffs now in place, patching up ties between the world's two biggest democracies may not be easy. John Su and John Van Trieste for TaiwanPlus.